Hello, everybody. How are you doing? I hope you all are following the necessary COVID protocols and staying safe at home. So, today I want to talk on some interesting and unnoticed topic, which is procrastinations. As a student, procrastination is one of the major issues faced. There is a famous doha of कबीर. संत कबीर ने कहा है, कल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब, पल में परलय होएगी, बहुरी करेगा कब. The meaning is, whatever you are going to do, if you are going to do it tomorrow, do it today. If you are going to do it today, do it now. Uncertain things take place in a few seconds, in a matter of few minutes or few seconds, and the rest is nothing under your control. Anything can happen and you would be facing severe losses. So in spite of knowing this, we tend to procrastinate or delay things a lot. For example, me as a student, I had targeted to complete these many particular chapters today, but कुछ फ्रेंड ने इनवाइट किया मुझे फॉर डिनर टू गो अराउंड इन अ मॉल और हैव सम फन एक्टिविटी और मीट ईच अदर, वॉट एवर द थिंग इज़. घर पे की कोई गेस्ट मेहमान आए, एनी फंक्शन इज़ देयर. दिस रिजल्ट्स इन टू यू नॉट हैविंग टाइम एट योर डिस्पोजल, एंड देन एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू से ओके, आज नहीं हुआ, कल करेंगे. Then tomorrow again some other thing happens and you end up delaying whatever you had to do. So the thing is, people don't understand how cumulative the effect has of procrastinating things. And I must agree that we are humans and we can't function like robo ki jo plan kiya hai accordingly we are implementing or executing everything, but at least we can increase the percentage of we completing the required or necessary tasks as per our plans. So the best solution which I can give to avoid procrastinations is get someone to whom you are accountable to. Have some or the other person, that is maybe your friend, your parents, your cousin, your sister, any of your relatives, any damn person to whom you are responsible to and you are answerable to for whatever you are doing or whatever you have to do. Because when you bring in this element of being accountable to someone, you would ensure or you would take steps to complete those particular tasks or goals which you had assigned. Because otherwise the person to whom you are accountable, he would give you some kind of a punishment or some kind of जो बोलते हैं ना कि they would hold you responsible for whatever things you have done. So you as a person would ensure that my reputation and my image is being preserved by me, by my actions, and you would ensure and give your 100% to complete things. So this issue I have seen among many students, that when they are studying alone, there is no one who is accountable to on a personal level. For example, even though they might have attended classes and or they have taken some pen drive video lectures, but they are studying alone at their home, are they directly answerable to that faculty or professor? Do the professors entertain all these things on a daily basis or on a weekly level, whatever the thing is? No, there are thousands of students under those particular faculties. So it becomes impossible for them to keep a track of student wise of whatever the student is doing. So it is up to you. You have to decide whether you need a CA mentor like me, who I provide mentoring services, where I also provide solid effective plans and strategies And apart from the plans and strategies, I also have a solid framework which develops your intrapersonal skills, that is your confidence, time management, mental toughness, resilience, etc. And also I also talk about success habits of rich and successful people across the world. So guys, I hope you have found something or the other insightful and interesting from this, and you try to have some person to whom you are accountable. So take care guys, all the best, stay tuned, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and remember my mantra: there is a reason for my existence. No longer will I live in ignorance. I am here to make a difference. Bye bye. Jai Hind. Thank you.